Idyllwild is a place of education and of growth and of time to come together both as faculty and students to explore the medium and discipline of music that we make together.
Every year is just a really special time. You get to meet new students, you sometimes get to meet new colleagues, and it's just this rejuvenating and uplifting place to come to every year, I feel, personally and artistically.
So I got invited to be the teacher for this summer festival. I didn't think it twice because I really fall in love of the idea of teaching a great community of students, musicians that love so much and have so much passion with music.
Just being with such enthusiastic students who play so well and fantastic colleagues in this gorgeous setting is just invigorating for me, and I always feel inspired to play and teach the best I can.
There's something incredibly unique about the creative atmosphere here.
The amazing thing that our students get in the ensemble experience is what happens when we all put our absolute best forward and are doing that as part of a group, where all of a sudden we can achieve things together that are even beyond what our wildest dreams might be at an individual level.
I'm playing in a big band where I'm playing lead alto, which I've never played before, and so it's kind of a struggle for me, but it definitely helps you grow in it, and I think I've gained a lot from this experience so far.
So follow your dreams. Don't let anyone tell you you can't do it, including yourself. Your choices, the one you feed the most will grow the most. So feed positivity over negativity.
Over a span of a week, we usually have about 5 to 10-ish songs come out of each student. Now, keep in mind they collaborate, and that's kind of our core thing for teaching, is to have the kids work with other kids, because obviously if you're into, death metal, but then you are working with a kid that really likes to do, folk, alternative folk, and then you mix that up, you get a really cool genre. So yeah, it yields a number of songs. We can't guarantee anything, but I think at a minimum, you're coming out of each week with at least 4 or 5 songs.
A lot of times when you're writing, you kind of get stuck in your ways and you don't really veer out of that. You write the same melody or use the same chords. So when you get to switch it up with a person, it makes the songs more interesting, makes them different.